Oh, it's such a nice day. I had to do this one outside, right in front of my woodshed. Alright, rosewoods are among the most beautiful and expensive woods on this planet. Any true rosewoods are from the Dalbergia genus. Dalbergia being a Latin name to categorize the tree species. Example is maple is Acer, or elm is Ulmus, I believe, so on and so forth. Carl Dalberg was the Swedish botanist that the genus was named after. There's also hundreds of trees in the Dalbergia family, but only about a dozen or so we use as lumber, at least in high-end furniture. Some of these are kingswood, cocobolo, tulip wood, East Indian rosewood, and African blackwood, just to name a few. Now, there's a lot of imposters when it comes to purchasing rosewoods. So don't think just because it has the word rosewood in the name that it's actually a true rosewood. That's why I clarified in the beginning with the Latin name Dalbergia. That's how you'll know if it's a true rosewood. A few common examples are Mexican rosewood or granadillo. That's not a true rosewood. Then there's African rosewood, which is babinga. It's not a true rosewood, though it is a cool wood. Also pretty expensive. Bolivian rosewood. That's from the Manchurium genus. So rosewoods range from about $65 to $130 a board foot, depending on species, your dealer, figure, as well as size. Some boards over 6 inches wide will demand a premium just because the trees don't grow that big. So that's the case with tulip wood. Ta-da! And if you decide to purchase any of these spectacular woods, know up front that working with them can be challenging, especially if you have little experience. They're all dense, hard, and very expensive, so making any big mistakes can be quite costly. If you want a breakdown of some of the individual types, this is Indian rosewood, blah blah blah, but check out our Arboretum series. I'll leave links to all the different types of rosewoods that we're talking about that we did episodes on, where you can get more detailed information where it'll really get broken down. You'll know how much that one costs, the Janka rating, which is how hard a wood is, the average dry weight, use cases, and more. Pictures of stuff that we've built with them, so you can see some of them finished. So as usual, thanks for tuning in, and that helps support our channel, and we really appreciate it. So this is Chris with Progressive Ideas in Wood, and I'll see you on the next one.